project, when we did the initial announcement, we hinted that we're looking at a series of use cases. By looking, meaning we're deep in implementation into several of those. One of those is insurance, so using that XRP stake as a mechanism to ensure very high quality DeFi protocols. Another one is things like RWA's liquidity. So most RWAs today have very little liquidity on a regular basis. So you can, if I can give security, economic security assertions by restaking my XRP, then I can use those. We call it economically secure services, ESS, that are services that provide real yield. And I hope, and we're working really hard on this, that one of the biggest one of the sort of goals that we set as part of the Firelight project is that we were going to be launching those native yield use cases very quickly after Firelight launches.